So in this freeform tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to edit the font color here on freeform. So the first thing you have to do is open up freeform. For this demonstration, I'm going to go to the top left and press on my Untitled 4 document, just a blank document. Now to add some text first and foremost, go to the bottom right, second from the right, there's an A with a square, press on that. Then I'm going to go ahead and type in the text right here to open up the text box. I'm going to double tap it and just type in font color. So by default, the font color is black. Now, if you want to change that, it's pretty straightforward. Press on the font right here, press on the text right here, then open up this bottom bar and the black circle, press on that. You can now change it to whatever color you want. So if I wanted to make it purple just like that, I can make it purple. I can make the font larger just like that. So as you can tell, now the font color is purple. So super simple, super straightforward, but this is how to edit font color here on Freeform. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.